Hello, my friends. Good evening or good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome back to Smart Traveler Memoirs. Today, I will just want to pause and say a big thank you. We have reached 175,000 views. Each view, like, and comment has been part of this incredible journey. Thank you for walking with me through every travel story, tutorial, and memory we have. It started with a whisper, a moment, a memory, and a dream to preserve what matters. This is smart_traveler memoirs, where tradition meets transformation, where aging becomes a legacy. Today, we celebrate 175,000 views and 800 uploads. Not just numbers, but footsteps. Each view a soul, a student, a seeker. We carry Kenya in every frame, in every overlay, in every caption. This is our soil, our sound, our spirit. We honor those who came before and those who rise today. Every ceremony is a story. From specimen clarity to poetic overlays, we teach with heart and we run with pride. This is a proof of effort, of impact, of a legacy shared across borders. 175,000 views behind us. 1,000,000 stories ahead. Let's keep moving with rhythm, with purpose, with pride. Thank you for walking with me. This is just the beginning. As we celebrate this milestone, I'm reminded that it's not just about the numbers. It's about the community, the memories, and the impact we have created together. Keep walking with me as we continue exploring, learning, and growing. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for 175,000 views. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our next adventure at Smart Traveler Memoirs.